Today, we are going to learn about the partnership accounting. So in our discussion, you should be able to define the partnership, identify and explain the characteristics of a partnership, identify and explain the various types of partnerships, and various types of partners. So first, we define the partnership. Partnership is a contract whereby two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry into a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves. So the contract of partnership is consensual. It is created by the agreement of the partners, which may be constituted in any form, such as oral or written. So we proceed to the characteristics of the partnership. So the first one is the co-ownership of contributed assets. So in these characteristics, each partner is a co-owner of the properties invested in the partnership, and each has an equal right with his partners to possess a specific partnership property for partnership purposes. However, a partner cannot possess specific partnership property for any purpose without the consent of his partners. The second one is the income tax characteristic. So as any type of business for profit, partnership are also subject to income tax for its profits. And the next one is the limited life characteristic. So the creation of partnership is basically consensual. As such, a partnership may be dissolved by the express will of any partner, or it may be dissolved by the termination of a definite term stipulated in the contract. It may also be dissolved by any event which makes it unlawful to carry out the partnership. Also, it can be dissolved when a specific thing which a partner has promised to deliver or to contribute to the partnership perishes before its delivery. And a partnership may be dissolved by the expulsion, death, insolvency, or civil interdiction of a partner. The next characteristic is the legal entity. So the partnership has a judicial personality separate and distinct from the partners. What does this mean? It means that the partnership can transact and acquire properties in its own name. The next one is mutual agency characteristic. So in here, the partners are agents of the partnership for the purpose of its business. As such, a partner may legally bind the partnership to a contract or agreement that is in line with the partnership's operations. The next one is the mutual participation in profits. So the partnership is created as a business, a profit-oriented entity. As such, each partner is entitled to his share in the partnership profit. A stipulation which excludes one or more partners from any share in the profits or loss of the partnership is void. And the last one is the unlimited liability characteristic. So each partner, including the industrial ones, those who are contributing their industry, may be held personally liable for partnership debt after all partnerships assets have been exhausted. So if a partner is personally insolvent, his share in the partnership debt shall be assumed by the other partners. Okay, so we proceed to the kinds of partnerships. So we have the first as to activity. So as to activity, there is trading partnership and non-trading partnership. So for the trading partnership, the main activity here is the manufacture or the purchase and sale of goods. While in the non-trading, the main activity is the rendering of services. Okay. We also have the kinds of partnership as to object. So under this one, we have the universal partnership of all present property. So this means that the partners contribute all the properties which actually belong to each of them at the time of the constitution of the partnership to a common fund with the intention of dividing the same among themselves as well as the profits that they may acquire therewith. The next one is the universal partnership of all profits. This means that all properties that the partners may acquire by their industry or work during the existence of the partnership and the usufruct of movable property or immovable property which each of the partners may possess at the time of the institution of the contract. And then we have the particular partnership. So one which has for its object determinate things, their use of fruits, or a specific undertaking or the exercise of a profession or vocation. We also have kinds of partnership as to liability. So the first one is we have general co-partnership. So in here, all the partners are general partners who are liable pro rata and sometimes solidarily with their separate property for the partnership debts. And we have the limited partnership where two or more persons have one or more general partners and one or more limited partners. Okay, so under the limited partnership, the general partners are liable with their separate property for the partnership debts, while the limited partners have are only liable according to their capital contribution. And then we also have the kinds of partnership as to duration. So the first one is the partnership at will. So in here, no time is specified or no specific undertaking specified, and it may be terminated anytime. Okay. And then we have the partnership with a fixed term. So under this type of partnership, term is agreed upon or formed for a particular undertaking. So in here, once the undertaking is completed or the term is expired, the partnership is dissolved unless continued by the partner. We also have we also have kinds of partnership as to representation to others. So how third parties see them. So first one is the ordinary partnership. So in this one, it actually exists among the partners and also as to the third parties. And the second one is partnership by estupel. So one which in reality is not a partnership but is considered a partnership only in relation to those who by their conduct or omission are precluded to deny or disprove the partnership existence. So we also have kinds of partnership as to legality of existence. So we have de jure partnership and de facto partnership. So for the de jure partnership, this is the partnership which complied with all the requirements for its establishment, while the de facto partnership has failed to comply with one or more of the requirements for its establishment. And then we have the kinds of partnership as to publicity. So we have the secret partnership, wherein the existence of certain persons as partners is not made known to the public by any of the partners. And we also have open partnership, where the existence of certain persons as partners are made known to the public by the members of the firm. Now we proceed to the kinds of partners. So first kind is the as to contribution. So we have the capitalist partner, the industrial partner, and the mixture of capitalist and industrial partner. So for the capitalist partner, these are the partners who contributes capital in the form of money or property. While for the industrial partners, are partners who contributes industry, labor, talent, skills, or service. Then the third one is the capitalist industrial partners. So here is the type of partner who contributes money, property, and industry. Then we have the kinds of partners as to liability. So under this classification, we have two. The first one is the general partners, and the second one is the limited partners. So for the general partners, these are the partners whose liability to third persons extends to his personal property. While for the limited partners, the liability to third persons is limited only to the extent of his capital contribution to the partner. Then we have the kinds of partners as to management. So we have the managing partner. So as the name implies, these are the type of partner who manages actively the business of the partnership. Then we have the silent partner. So this partner is one who does not participate in the management of the partnership affairs. So we have other classifications of partners also. So the first one is the liquidating partner. So this type of partner takes charge of the winding up of partnership affairs upon the partnership dissolution. Then we have the nominal partner, one who is not really a partner, not a party to the partnership agreement, but is made liable as a partner for the protection of innocent third persons. So in return, the partnership pays a fee for this type of service rendered by the nominal partner. And then we have the ostensible partner, one who takes active part in the management of the firm and is made known to the public as partner to the business. So the ostensible partner is also known as partner by Stufel, and as such, he is also liable to those relying thereon that he is a partner to the partnership. And then we have the secret partner, one who takes active part in the management of the business but whose connection with the partnership is not made known to the public. So only the partners know the identity of the secret partner, but as to the public, they do not know this secret partner. And then we have dormant partner, one who does not take active part in the management of the business and is not known to the public as partner to the business. So he is both silent and a secret partner. Okay. Now we assess your knowledge by engaging in this knowledge quiz. Okay, so let's proceed to the first question. So here, the question is asking for the classes of partners. Okay, so one who contributes capital in the form of money or property. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer it. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is capitalist partner. Okay. Next one. This is a question asking for the kinds of partnership. So one whose main activity is the manufacture or the purchase and sale of goods. So I'll give you 10 seconds again to answer this question. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the answer is trading partnership. Okay, so we proceed to the next question asking for the kinds of partnership. So this type of partnership is one which complied with all the requirements for its establishment. So I'll count off to 10 again, and then after the 10 seconds you provide the answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the answer is de jure partnership. So next question is asking for the classes of partners. So this partner is one who does not take active part in the management of the business and is not known to the public as partner to the business. So he is both a silent and a secret partner. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the answer is dormant partner. Okay. Next, this type of question is asking for the kinds of partnership. So this kind of partnership is one formed by two or more persons having member one or more general partners and one or more limited partners. Your 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is limited partnership. There again, it is asking for the kind of partnership. So this kind of partnership is one where partnership assets consists of assets acquired during the life of the partnership and only the usufruct of the assets contributed at the time of the partnership formation. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is universal partnership of all profit. Then we proceed to the next question. So it is asking for the characteristic of a partnership. So this characteristic is one where the personal assets of any of the partner may be used to satisfy the creditor's equities in the partnership if the firm's assets are not enough to settle the liabilities to the outsiders. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the answer is unlimited liability. So it is asking again for the characteristics of a partnership. So this characteristic is that partnership except those organized for the exercise of profession are subject to income tax rate of 30% of profit. So this is a type of characteristic of a partnership. So your 10 seconds starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the answer is income tax characteristic. So this question is asking for the characteristic of a partnership. So any partner may act as an agent of the partnership in conducting its affairs. So your 10 seconds starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the answer is mutual agency. For the last question, we have the following. Partnership is a contract whereby two or more persons bind themselves to contribute blank, blank, or blank into a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves. So your 10 seconds starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the answer is money, property, and industry. Okay. So did you all get the correct answers? So if you did, then congratulations. But if you did not, you can replay the video lecture and retake the knowledge quiz until you get all the correct answers. Okay? For the next video lecture, we will learn about the accounting for partnership formation and operations. Until then, I'm going to leave you a quote from Albert Einstein where he said, "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity." Thank you for watching and God bless.